Hello, I'm Steve Woodward, Channel Systems Engineer at FireEye. In this video, I'll show advanced rule creation in endpoint security, also known as HX. And the way we're going to do that is by using the HX tool application. All right, we're going to get started. We're going to log into our endpoint security, also known as HX. And right off the bat, you might have noticed something different if you haven't seen the new user interface. This is often known as the Helix design because that's the first product that used it. Now it's also part of endpoint security. So it's the biggest thing we see is that it's very dark. A lot of people like it much better. So we're going to start. We're going to create a rule here and see the limits compared to what we want to do sometimes. So we come into our rules and we see what's already in here. We see listed as categories. So we have mandated unrestricted rules. We're going to create one that's going to be a custom rule. You can create your own categories, so forth. So we come in here and we're going to do a create indicator. And we see this here. I'm going to go ahead and just deselect Mac so I can show one additional feature. We have a couple things, 3 things that we can do: file, network connection, DNS lookup. You might think, well, 3. I could have swore when I bought it or when I researched this product, there were a lot more. And there are. But in this user interface, we can only do these because of the limitations and the danger of doing things that might be more risky. So we're going to go ahead and add a file. And we're going to do a file name. We're going to do a MD5. We just do one of these, but I'm going to go and add them all. And notice they come over here and they're in the persistence category. You might have noticed there was no way for me to select the execute category. That's one of the limits of this interface. I'm going to go ahead and give it a name. This rule is right out of the user guide. So I'm just going to call it user guide sample and go ahead and say create. And then here it is, user guide sample. It's Windows only. It's created by me. I'm admin, and it's a custom. It only has one condition. So now we're going to go and use HX tool to show you how to do more advanced rules. And to do that, first we have to go get HX tool, and you can get that from the FireEye community. Thanks for spending the time learning about how to use HX tool to create advanced rules. Stay tuned for more FireEye tips and insights.